I'm filming it.
No, come over here. That tree's coming. Come here. Now shoot it. Come on, watch. Oh, you know how to do the zoom? Oh, okay. Yeah, now just hold it steady right there.
Is there some hail in this storm over here?
Probably hail in that storm, yep.
Oh. Ooh, and I can see that the rain is starting to come towards us. Right? If you look real closely, the dirt is starting to form flat.
It's getting pushed off. See how hard this rain is hitting the ground? You see how that cloud is kicking up? Okay? That's what's going on the ground too. All that wind is exploding out that way.
This one, this blue part, maybe, see, yeah, right there, is hail. Like everything around this part, any purple part, is hail. Just that's some over there. But this, all that gray stuff right there, it's clouds. And all the other stuff is for the storm and lightning. Some of the lightning has already happened. Like this big white one. Total 8 in past 5 minutes. That's good. Oh wow, that's... Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. There. And there's his friend. There. Yep. So off to another adventure.
Well, let me see.
This is the back of the truck, let me say. Let's see if I can find something. Oh, there we go. You guys can see what the windows are. That didn't work at all.
Pack it up, pack it in.
Storm Chaser by Olbinski.
Oh, I'm so happy that someone's doing a video. Seriously.
You are so Woo! I fell! Eli!
Hey! What am I supposed to say? Well, that camera needs to be clean. Alright, we got a storm here. It looks like a little corkscrewing updraft. Pretty cool looking, if you ask me. Some rain and hail falling, some dust over here on these mountains. However, I think we're gonna have to start blasting north soon.
No!
Not going home. We just got way more storms hitting Phoenix right now. They're gonna be rolling down our way.
Look, everyone. You may not see it well, but we're in the middle of a dust storm. And my dad is still out there. Okay, we're in the middle of the dust storm. The dust. And if you don't know what a dust storm is, it's dust being kicked up into the air and it's just kind of going in one direction or other directions, but I don't know those directions. Oh, and here comes Michael Olbinski.
That was crazy. What's up? How are things going? Did you guys see the dust storm? Lyla, there's a big dust storm right there rolling across.
You can't really see it, maybe?
Seems like an inch or...
Dada.
Lyla, you're right, sorry.
We're recording.
Oh. Look at that.
I know. It's very, very big. It's not like the one we were in.
This is pretty good though, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Spoiled?
Am I spoiled? What?
It's going to be a very, very brief live broadcast, but check out this dust storm.
Bam!
Down I-8. Looks cool over there, but this side is aggressive. Look at that thing. Monster.
It's getting closer to us every time that the wind scoops it out. Hello?
Holy mother of God, this is so good. What?
No.
Don't shoot me, shoot the dust storm, you silly goose.
No, I'm not
Shoot the dust storm.
I'm not a ghost. You little chicken.
Lyla, come on.
No.
Wow.
Okay. But here's a good view of the dust storm. Like, there's a lot of it. Oh my gosh, it's coming right at us. Oh wow, it's getting bigger, bigger. I can't even fit the whole thing on the screen. It's moving over there, it's over there. It's gonna crash into us. All those moonshots? Different ones. Recording.
Hey Lyla, so we are west of Gila Bend and we have this line of storms coming and we're right here, this circle. This line of storms is coming and sending out all this dust. So come here, let's look at all this dust coming. Ready? Come over here. Look right here, big new wall of dust forming. Right here. And it's stretching all the way out there. Are you seeing it? You filming that? Yep. All right, get in the car, buckle up.
We're gonna be hit by this dust storm at any minute.
Right there, that's right.
Oh!
It's gonna get better.
Thank you, everyone.
Boom.
Look at the sunset.
Oh my goodness gracious. Ah! July 5th. But this is amazing. Anyway, sorry, I could talk about Haboobs forever.
Yeah, he could.
Yeah. Are you gonna shoot it down here, or can I do a couple? No, I want to do.
Look at that.
I was thinking one more to shoot that, but I like it down the road.
The forest fire is going
I had such a hard time not stopping to get my unit, but I only got like. You gotta stop. It looks ridiculous. Color is so good. Ah!
I get you there.
Oh my God!
Sunset makes the color. But that's a little stuff.
Is it trying to die out a little, or is it still cranking?
Well, the storms behind us, right down the freeway, kind of weakened, and up here to the north, they've gotten really good, which I think could be why it's still intense over there.
Some striations along the top edge here.
Oh yeah. So I saw the one at night here was amazing. Were you there that night? With Trey,
Gila Bend, right? Yeah.
90-mile-per-hour gusts.
Yes. I was telling Reed
Hey, come here, guys. Oh wait, come here. Over here. Good. We'll do a Haboob selfie, okay? Whoa.
Camera.
Whoa! It's Haboobalicious.
What did you just say?
I don't know. Haboobalicious. It's great. Oh, this is awesome.
It's the new word. It's heading out across the road. Look at that. Which dog do you think is your favorite? I don't know. Oh. Well, I'm not done asking you a question. Hey! I'm not done!
We gotta go.
You gotta go, gotta go, gotta go! Oh no!
Get in the car, guys.
Get in the car, you gotta go! Slow boat! Just get in! It's the biggest dust storm we've got yet! Buckle up! Oh my gosh, we're inside the dust storm. Oh my gosh, we're packing up. We're packing up! Packing up. See you in the next time, bye!